some women make men turn their heads when they pass by, and they make their jaws drop when, they show up. Does this have something with the way they walk? I think it is about the way they walk and about making a memorable appearance. If you agree, stick with me till the end to figure it out together. So today I will show you how to do this. How to walk elegantly and feminine in heels without looking clumsy and be remembered. My dear elegant ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It's Ms.Killer Heels or Elena, your favorite high heels expert, back with another practical video today. I will show you the secret behind the perfect catwalk. I've got a lot of requests to make such video, so here it is for all of you who need some guidance and who were wondering if you are doing this right or not. If you are high heels lover but a beginner when it comes to walking in heels, watch this video. It will come handy for sure. As you can see, I'm not at my home today, but let's just don't get into details. I also want to tell you that the shoes that I'm wearing currently are from Vocosi shoes. They could be ordered on Amazon. I will provide some details in the description of this video below so you can guys check them out. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell button so we always stay in touch. You can also share my channel with your friends. Again, don't be stingy. If you like this video, please give me big thumbs up and don't skip the ads while you're watching. So guys, I have a few points that I want to cover which will simplify the understanding of the perfectly elegant walking heels. I will show you how to do this while I'm sharing my tips and my best advices for you. Let's get started breaking it up to you step by step. First of all, you would need the perfect heels for your practice. Find the most comfortable shoes. Obviously, you don't have to start with 120mm high heels. 80mm or 100mm would be perfect, I think. Anything under, I honestly don't consider high heels. Start by wearing heels at home first, and once you feel more confident, you could walk them outside too. Walk as much as possible in heels, preferably in front of a mirror. You can also try wedge platforms as they are beginner-friendly heels and the easier shoes to start out with. Or maybe any chunky heels. It's really up to you, but I personally would recommend rather a closed-toe heel to start with it first. So ladies, to sum up, find your perfect pair of beginner heels for this exercise till you get to the stiletto actually. But before that, you need to know the second very important point, the position of the body. The good posture of the body is essential. You need to have a standard good posture and maintain your balance. Let me show you what I really mean. You need to have your back straight, you need to pull your shoulders and your chin up. That's really the essence for a good posture. Of course, you need to practice this often till the moment it comes naturally. So what I want you to do today is to put a daily reminder for yourself a few times a day to pay attention on your posture. Straighten yourself up, pull your shoulders back and straight, of course. Practice this as much as possible. The more you practice your back muscles, the stronger they will become, till the point it's actually easier for you to have that straight, desired posture constantly. Now, it's easy to end up looking a bit stiff. That's why a part of the posture we need to add a bit of feminine energy to our walks, so we don't look unnaturally and stiff. How to do that? By adding some hip movements to soften the whole appearance. Now, hip action is felt by adding some swing into your hip, gently pressing your hip out as you take a step. This will require a bit of practice in front of the mirror or in front of your girlfriends, so please keep on doing this. The other very basic thing is the actual walk. How do we step and what we are supposed to do? The easiest way to look like an amateur in heels is to put your whole foot down at once as if you're wearing flats. When wearing heels, put your heel down first, followed by your toe. Heel and then toe. Heel to toe is the way to go. This will make your walk look more natural. Start with a small amount of walking and gradually extend them. Obviously, you should not go shopping or a whole night dancing in heels. Make sure the muscles on your legs are strong enough before you do a longer walk in heels. Do you know that the leg muscles are more active in walking in heel shoes, especially down the front of the leg? So wearing heels is not that bad at the end of the day. My tip here would be to practice your walking in a straight line and to focus putting one leg over other as you walk. This will also help you achieve a full hip swing. Walk gently like you are kissing the ground with your feet. Don't rush and focus on taking small steps. We naturally take big steps when we wear flats and when we rush. However, this doesn't look good in heels. You would look clumsy, and I'm always saying this is a major turn off for men. Even for me, it's not a pleasant view. So be conscious on how big steps you take and add a finesse to your walk. Walk proudly and graciously and don't rush. If you have to rush somewhere, wear flats and just put your heels once, you get there. Rushing could also destroy your heels, which, we don't want, of course. Heels are not for rushing, my ladies. My last point will be to be memorable and to make heads turn after you. But you have to execute this elegantly, with a style, with a grace, and like a pro. Guess what is the missing ingredient? It is the confidence. Confidence is a state of mind and it is an emotion. Even if you don't really feel confident, you could fake it till you make it. I can't say I'm always confident, and I do fake that confidence, sometimes. But there is nothing wrong with that. Watch fashion shows and the best catwalk models. The best example would be Victoria's Secret show. Don't watch Miss America, that's a bad example, as usually someone falls in heels. So they look very confident and much focused, and of course, I'm sure they are not always confident. They probably have their doubts as any of us, but they pretend very well. Or think about any celebrity you like and you know, she has this confident appearance and walk. Start to imitate them, think about how they walk, what they do, how they look. Start to practice the confidence till the moment you actually feel it. That's basically what you have to do. So guys, I think I told you the best and easiest way to understand the confident walk in heels, broken down to 6-7 main steps. You just need to master these important areas and practice more. Only then you will be able to elevate your first impression and to become this elegant, confident lady in heels that you always wanted to be. It may include faking it until you making it, but it just doesn't matter. You have to trust yourself and you will get there, I promise. So that was all for today, guys. I hope you were enjoying my video and I was informative and kind of helpful as always. I tried to demonstrate what I'm talking so you will understand my ideas better. So let me know your thoughts, give me a big thumbs up if you like my video, and we guys see each other next week, I guess, on this very same place. If you have any questions, feel free to read them down for me, and I always like to answer your question if they are relevant and if they are related to the topics that I'm sharing. Please check my Instagram and the other platforms of mine. Let's be friends. Till the next time, the most confident woman in heels, Elena or Ms.Killer Heels. Bye bye, love you, besos, kisses, busy, adios. Love you and keep on practicing.